Hello. There are only a few weeks left until Christmas, and you may be wondering what expenses your business can claim over the festive period. HMRC is less generous than Father Christmas. There are certain rules which you should be aware of before you start popping £50 notes into envelopes to hand out to staff over mulled wine, as nice as that would be. In this video, I'll share some of those rules with you to ensure your Christmas celebrations make the most of tax savings available to you. We'll consider three main areas: gifts, decorations, and of course the office Christmas party. Watch on to find out more. Before we start discussing Christmas merriment though, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel to get more useful accounting tips and guidance. I'm Tanya Bennett, founder of North Star Accounting. I'm here to provide easy to follow tax and business advice for small businesses, and we'll cover some personal tax too. I won't bore or bamboozle you with accounting jargon, and if I do, let me know in the comments section below please. Also, if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover, drop me a line and I'll see what I can do. Christmas expenses can be a little bit bewildering. For example, is a Christmas tree in the office really an allowable trading expense? And if I give clients a bottle of fizz, is it allowable for VAT or corporation tax? Well, we've got this covered, starting with Christmas gifts. The bad news is that many of the gifts you'd like to give your loyal customer base are not allowable for tax relief because they're classed as business entertainment, unfortunately. You may pay for them through your business, but you can't claim back VAT and it won't reduce your corporation tax bill at year end. Food, booze, tobacco, and even vouchers are all deemed to be business entertainment. Gifts to clients such as chocolate, a panettone, cigars, champagne even, are not allowable expenses, I'm afraid. So what is allowable? It's any gift that is not food, drink, tobacco or a voucher and has a clear advert for your company with it. This can be as simple as attaching your business card to the gift. In addition, gifts to any one person may not be more than £50. A notable exception is samples of your own products that you sell. They are permissible as gifts to clients. For employees though, the rules are different and you can use the trivial benefits in kind rules. You can provide a gift worth up to £50 including VAT without paying tax on the item. The gift may not be cash or a voucher that can be exchanged for cash. And good news, it may be food or drink. Seasonal gifts such as a turkey, a bottle of wine and a box of chocolates are allowable. Okay, quick recap then. For gifts to be allowable for clients, they must be worth less than £50, no booze or food, and they have to carry a clear advert for your business. For staff, the gifts again need to be less than £50 and they mustn't be exchangeable for cash or a cash voucher. Now, let's move on to talk about Christmas decorations. HMRC is quite generous when it comes to Christmas decorations. You may claim expenses for Christmas trees and decorations for your office. You can also claim the Christmas cards that you send to clients, which is a great marketing tool because frankly, not many people send them anymore. And these are claimable as stationery and printing. Okay, so now let's move on and talk about the office Christmas party. Bear with me, it's a biggie, but it's worth it because there's a lot going on and it's easy to get wrong. Throwing a party for clients counts as entertainment, I'm afraid, which is never allowable for corporation tax and nor may the VAT be recovered. However, for staff, it's better news. HMRC does morph into Santa and lets you claim a £150, including VAT, exemption per employee. Now note I say employees. Subcontractors that are not on payroll are not included. The £150 exemption may be used to cover employee transport and accommodation to enable that employee to attend the event. And there are a few other gotchas or conditions to be aware of too. All employees and directors must be invited to the Christmas event for it to be tax-free, without exception. If you're a sole director and it's just you, you can still enjoy a festive activity as a deductible expense. Secondly, if the £150 limit is exceeded, staff will be taxable on the full cost per head, so make sure you don't overspend. You could be quite unpopular. And finally, that £150 limit is an annual amount. If you held a firm-wide summer party, you've potentially already used up this exemption, so you need to factor that into your Christmas party budgeting. In 2020, social distancing restrictions in place mean that a physical event is unlikely for most organisations. A pragmatic approach suggests that an online meeting for all employees would qualify as a location, and there is a wide range of potential alternatives such as online cookery classes for everyone, you could book a singer to perform, or you could even send a DIY Christmas party kit in the post. Okay, to summarise, the cost of your annual party is an allowable tax deduction for businesses, and the 4 key points you need to remember are: all employees must be invited, the cost per head is £150 per less, that £150 may cover transport and accommodation as well as the party itself, and the good news, VAT is recoverable on staff entertainment expenditure. So in 2020, how are you hosting your Christmas party? Let us know what you're doing in the comments box below. And if you found this video useful, give the video a like. We've covered Christmas gifts, decorations, and Christmas parties. If you have any questions about whether expenses are allowable or not, post in the comment section below, or why not get in touch. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more advice on all things accounting. Happy Christmas, everyone.